Wow guys, can you believe there is snow already? Wow. Today we will take a look at the knife from Ontario Knife Company, the Blackbird SK5. This is the factory sheet. I like the fact that we can mount a ferro rod on it without any modification. Here I simply use the molly webbing to hold this fire rod from Exotech. The blade material is 154 cm stainless steel. It has a very nice 90-degree spine. Mine came not as sharp as I was expecting it to be, but I always like to put my own edge on a knife anyway. As you can see, there is also molly webbing on the back. You can attach it on any compatible gear. Okay, so the question is, can you split wood with it? Well, sure you can, but the blade is thin and the full flat grind is not ideal in the first place. I do not suggest you try to split wood full of nut with it. With a 5-inch blade, you can still manage to do some light task. The advantage of a full flat grind is obvious. It slices so much better than a saber grind. Excellent for food prep. I think it is a very well balanced knife. The idea here is to shave the wood as thin as possible so it can light easily using a ferro rod. In this situation, the wood was still wet, so having thin shavings is crucial. After a few attempts, the feather stick finally ignited. This wet wood gave me some trouble. We can see it burning very slowly. Just take your time. Here I am using a small stove from Firebox. This stove is excellent for boiling water. To conclude, I definitively recommend this knife. I think it's a great knife to have on your belt around the camp. The sheath is not bad at all. The G10 handle is very well contoured and grippy. The fit and finish is good and you don't carry useless weight. This knife checks a lot of boxes in my book. I have it for 2 years now and I love it. So, what is your go-to knife? You prefer a bigger knife? Let me know in the comments below.